Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to remove selection from a picture in Adobe Photoshop and Gimp software for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, if you have not downloaded and installed the Adobe Photoshop as well as the Gimp software, then firstly download both this software and install it on your respective computer. Then after that you can follow this video tutorial. So firstly, we're gonna try with the Adobe Photoshop. So let me open Adobe Photoshop. So I have opened Adobe Photoshop, right? So let me drag one picture here. So I have dragged a picture here, right? So say you can see here on the left side, say I will be using this lasso tool, which is also known as the selection tool. So I'll just click on it and I'll just try to select something. Say I have selected this area, right? So most of the newcomers who are using first time for the Photoshop, they may find difficult how to remove this selection, as you can see here, which I have used right now, how to remove it, or how to deselect, or how to dismiss these selections. Whatever you like to say, you can say that. So for this, in the Photoshop, in the newer version of Photoshop, it may not go away by clicking on the any blank area, right? So I'm using a Photoshop 7, so it might be possible for me, but in the newer, you may face some problems. In the newer version of Adobe Photoshop, you may face some problems that if you click on the side also, it will start appearing also like that. You can go to the left top corner, select, just click on this. Now you will get an option here, deselect, or you can use a hotkey, that is a shortcut keys, by using your computer keyboard by pressing Ctrl D also you can use, or you can just click on it by going to the select option. Once you click on this deselect, then this selection will get removed from your pictures. So this is the way how to remove selections from a picture in your respective Adobe Photoshop. So in case of Gimp, so let me open a Gimp. So once again, let me drag a picture here. So in case of Gimp, you can see here, same as here. Here it is being labeled as selection tool, which is labeled as a lasso tool in the Adobe Photoshop, right? But the functions will remain the same. So let me select this and let me just select some area. So I have selected this area, right? So similarly in the Gimp also, you can see a select option on the left top corner, select, just click on it, and here as something little different, you can see here it's written none. So here the hot shortcut keys are also totally different, as you can see, Shift plus Ctrl plus A. So before, earlier in the Adobe Photoshop, it was by Ctrl plus D, right? So if you click on this none, so these selections will get removed. So in case of Gimp, it's totally different compared to the Adobe Photoshop, but the functions will remain the same. So if you never known about how to remove selections from a picture in Adobe Photoshop and Gimp software on your respective computer, then you should definitely try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.